And now, marine life enthusiasts, come with us as we explore the mysterious world of the open ocean. The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and
relief! Today's the day! And look how many visitors came to see us off!
Yeah! Hi, little fella!
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here.
Well, why don't we tell them?
No! Oh, let me, I tell it best!
You're free to
Listen up. These travelers came a long way, and they deserve a good story. So, we're gonna do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started...
Oh, when Marlin met a blue tanning Dory.
No, when they found that man.
No, when they escaped those sharks. Oh, that part's scary!
Oh, no.
Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Dad, it's time for school!
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn and get some knowledge.
Come on! Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark queen at school?
No.
Or an angelfish. Is it true they have wings?
I don't think
Do
so.
you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world. Oh, they're waiting for me!
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad, do you know how old sea turtles are?
Sea turtles? If I ever meet one, I'll ask you.
Me too! Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a shark!
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws?
What?
You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a
I
whale.
want to meet a whale!
You need me around to watch your tail. In the big blue world, you're just a little
Come on, Dad!
in the big blue world. You'll be seen as a tasty fish.
No!
So much to you. I don't know what I would do in this big blue world if something should happen to you.
No need to worry, Dad. I'll be okay.
I'm scared you'll end up as a clownfish fillet. We could turn right around. We could wait one more year.
Don't be so boring, Dad! I belong here! Wow! Isn't it beautiful? Come on, Dad!
Hold my fin. Hold my fin!
take a look around you. The ocean's alive in the big blue world. It's time for you to arrive.
Let's name the zones of the open sea.
Mr. Red!
Lord Explorers! Who's this?
I'm Nemo!
He's got a little fin. We call it his lucky fin. Now, if he gets tired, give him a break 10, 15.
It'll be alright. Let's go, Explorers! Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready!
Really ready?
I don't think I'm ready.
We're ready to go.
Hi, son. Please be safe.
Stop the drop-off!
The drop-off!
It's there that Nemo discovered that boat.
Our dentist's boat.
Oh, it's that!
Let's swim out and touch it. Yeah. Come on, Nemo.
My dad says it isn't safe, but if you're going to...
No, you can't be anywhere.
How's it gonna?
You're not ready, I was right. We'll try school again next year.
Dad!
You know that you can't swim. No, you can't. Come along. You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong.
I hate you!
And with that, Nemo did swim right toward that boat.
But suddenly it's appeared!
But Nemo was gone.
No, where'd it go? It's gone. Has anybody seen a boat? Please, please, they took my son. I'm coming, Nemo.
Sorry, sir!
Help! He's got my son. He's got Nemo. Have you seen a boat?
A boat. I've seen a boat! Follow me!
Thank you.
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
But we're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Wait! We already did this.
You did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
There's something wrong with you, really. You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory. This is...
No, you don't need to know. I was just leaving.
I'd like to invite you morsels to a little party on heaven.
What's a break for us, mate?
Starving. Couple of tasty boys. Right then. Meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends, not food.
Then we had lunch at 10. We lunch lunch underneath. We know that fish are friends, not food. Well, sometimes we know. Sure, we've all that to have, but we had self-control. We know that fish are friends, not food.
I'd like to be your friend.
Our stories of life in the ocean lead to emotional needs.
Yes, it will.
When you need help getting through it, and help just won't do it. Don't stop feeding, circular meaning. Oh yes, we see the light. Each day we fight the fight to curb our appetite and change our attitude. Fish are free. Fish are free. Fish are free. Fish are free. No, fish are free. Not food.
Hey, look, balloons! It's a party!
Mind your distance there. You wouldn't want one of these no pop.
Ow! Oh, you really clocked me there!
I'm sorry. Hey, is your nose bleeding? Let me see.
Oh, that's good.
Little pizza!
Little taste. One meal and the white spruce.
Fish are friends, not food.
Holy comfort!
That match belonged to the diver who took my son! Hey, what do these markings mean? No, I can't read human.
And stuff me! It's not the same as escape!
Dory, you can read! Read the mask! No!
I've got you in my sight.
Happy thoughts!
And heaven days tonight!
Read the night, fish are friends! Read the night, fish are friends! Read the night, fish are friends!
Swim away, swim away!
Not food. Is it safe?
made it to the best part of the story, where I come in.
Honey, this is where we all come in.
That's right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist.
And he didn't even have an appointment.
No, our tank was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla. Darla! No!
She's a fish killer.
She shakes the bag.
Nah, we weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan.
Dad?
Hey, kid, you'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time, we got hit. I promise, we will all get out, as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success. Yeah! We swim in harmony. And we study dentistry. We're the fish of Pablo Hernandez. Sharpie, you're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will, if we do this the way we do everything else. Together, we swim together. Little clownfish, you're our ticket to breaking free.
Yeah! And if we all join hands, everybody wins. And we'll swim together in the open sea.
So what's your name, kid?
I'm Nemo.
Our escape plan was set. That didn't work. We just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead to the ocean. Speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find them.
Yeah, but there was one big problem. The mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son,
Arco,
Nemo.
correct.
Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills, life's full of little spills. Don't throw your heads up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of both? They're not going anywhere. Swish your tail and dive on in. And trust that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming. What do we do?
We swim.
Right!
No singing. No singing. Right now that song is going to be stuck in my head.
There's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, try to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman 42's Wallaby Way.
Sydney, I guess it's smelling.
No, Dory, that's the mask.
Yay, we did it.
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
So we follow our guts. Just keep swimming. Everything will be okay. Just keep swimming. Move your tail and sure enough we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things go bad. Then poof, the moment is gone. And what do? We just keep swimming on. To be Sherman 42.
Hello there. I'm looking for my son. Oh, pardon me. Hello. My son was taken from me in a boat incident that I did. Hi, I'm trying to talk to you. Please, stop. Oh, no, Dory, wait.
Hey, lady, is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember. Were you?
No, do you guys know
Look,
what?
pal, we are talking to the lady.
Fine.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
And you heard of P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney?
What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's the East Australian current. Keep swimming. The current can't miss it. It's in that direction.
Just keep swimming.
And the ladies just float you right past shipping.
There's a big blue world out there that can make a fish feel small. But when friends point the way, it's not so big at all.
his dad was even out there at all.
Not my dad, he's 3 feet off. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry, 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming. Not my dad.
But his dad was coming! At that very moment, Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle! And he was, as the kids say, totally awesome!
Dude, you have traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star.
Yeah, but
You're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some chill and surf the AC with me. Go with the flow. Go with the
excuse me, Mr. Turtle.
Oh, dude, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name's Crush.
Stop it, 360 squirt! You pissed it off! Whoa!
My goodness.
Kill the motor, dude. Why don't you take it slow? But let us see how Squirt does flying so.
You sea monkeys, Uncle.
You so totally rock, Squirt. You're such an amazing kid.
Children.
It's awesome. Direct on a beach, then Cuckoo-Cuckoo. They find their own way back to the big unclave.
All by themselves. But what if they're not ready? I mean, how do you know?
How do you know? You never really know. What if they're ever gonna go? Think you gotta let them go. You know, just go with the flow. That's the only way to do it. Just get on over. Go with the flow. That's the only way to do it. Just get on over. Go with the flow.
Of course, I forgot. How old are you? Oh, I will. Wow, that was fun. I actually enjoyed that.
Me too! See you later, Beach! Hey, look! Turtle!
Come on.
So news of Marlin's journey traveled far and wide. The sea turtles told their fish friends,
Told the lobsters.
who told the swordfish,
Who told the dolphins.
who told the albatross,
Told the pelicans.
who flew that news right to our windowsill. Nemo, did you hear? Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
My father? Really? And where it is? He's in the Sydney Harbor right now! Oh, it's my dad! I knew all along! Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's gone, he's away now, and I'm so glad. All the fish in the ocean.
It's over. Nemo's gone. I couldn't. I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Dory, if it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here, so thank you.
Wait, stop. No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please, don't go away. Please.
Nemo!
And you are?
This is Dory! She helped me find you! I thought I lost you! I saw you belly up!
Stop pretending to be flush with every dream!
Oh, thank goodness you're safe!
Dad, I don't hate you.
Oh, no. No, Nemo. I am so sorry. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150!
150! Whoa! So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Oh, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me.
Wanna make it 3?
So, Nemo and his dad were finally reunited, and inspired by Nemo's big escape, we hitched our own ride out of the tank of a plastic bag express. And that's how we ended up here. Yeah.
Oh, I just love a happy ending! But wait! What happened when they got back home to the ranch?
Well, it's release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves?
Yeah!
Catch you later, folks. We got a date with the Big Blue.
Time for school!
Now go and get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be cheerful.
But remember to have fun. Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go have an adventure.
In the big blue world, we're gonna go explore. In the big blue world, things we've never seen before. What's waiting out there? We can never know. In the big blue world, we're ready to go.
Bye, Elmo!
Nemo.
Bye, Dory!
Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.
We're so glad you could spend part of your day here at the Marine Life Institute. Thank you for joining us.